been around 4,500 years. It has been grown in tropical regions and has been a wonderful fruit, giving us all the vitamins, proteins, vital minerals, everything. See, there are certain minerals and antioxidants in coconut which are equal to mother's milk. They are this lauric acid, gallic acid, caffeic acid, salicylic acid. And it is such a wonderful fruit, readily available. It has to have such a beautiful acceptance towards people. What happened in between? I want to highlight this point, why we human beings suddenly disconnected with this coconut, and again this coconut is coming into picture. So I want to highlight these aspects because now if you tell about coconut to anybody, the first thing they tell about coconut is it increases your cholesterol, it brings you fat, all these things. But hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I am clear, no?
Yeah.
So I just want to highlight this point to you. In 1956, there was a study, American study, which stated that coconut was so bad for health. It is very bad for coronary artery diseases. You land up with heart complaints, and you should never consume coconut oil or coconut for that matter. What happened? See, after some years, it came out as a lobbying of soybean growers and oil manufacturers. This is what I am saying. If I want to describe this coconut not as common people see this. If you know what is inside this coconut, you will be surprised and amazed. It is such a fruit that it was described in such an ancient Nigantu called Kaidev Nigantu, which says Nalikeram himam snigdam swadupakam rasam guru tarpanam pachanam vrishyam brahmanam bala mamsakrit. See, this fruit was explained that this can actually cure gastritis. See, what they tell is it is very heavy, it causes digestion problems, but it is actually pachanam. This increases the digestive capacity of the person. And also, it is an aphrodisiac. It increases your muscle strength, that is mamsakrit. It is not, it increases obesity. There are so many studies conducted about coconut, and even our own state, Tirunanthapuram college, a particular college had studied that in fact it only increases good cholesterol and lowers bad cholesterol. Even Amrita Institute of Kochi recorded the same research papers stating that coconut is all good and nothing bad is there about coconut. So see, such a beautiful fruit. We have sidelined this for other oils like soybean oil, olive oils. We find it very fancy to use olive oils. I again substantiate what our Honorable Prime Minister has told: be local, be vocal. It is the local coconut which has had the great health impact in Kerala people, because it reduces the genotoxicity and it gives a better generation. What better than this? Just imagine if it is giving healthy offspring and increasing the health capacity of the next generation. What better can happen? See, you may be surprised that recent studies have even showed that even cancer patients can even ward off the side effects of chemotherapy, and So because what happens, chemotherapy brings in about a very debilitating state of mind, and then they have to reduce this dosage of chemotherapy. So what they are telling is coconut and coconut oil, especially virgin coconut oil, has been reduced, has been proven to reduce the side effects of chemotherapy. Can you imagine this? This was a study in September 18 in Integrative Report, because there was so much lobbying going on against coconut that many institutions decided to check it out. And I'll tell you one thing, there is one called MTX chemotherapy, in which there are severe side effects that patient is simply unable to discontinue with the chemotherapy. And it is known that if you give virgin coconut oil, it actually brings in so much antioxidants that it is very easy to continue the chemotherapy also. And suddenly now, after Corona, this has become a fad that you consume virgin coconut oil. Why it happened? Because this coconut oil was sidelined because it was too good. You believe me, it has happened so that this oil is capable of bringing all other coconut oil just outside the market. It is such a good thing to consume coconut water, coconut milk, coconut oil. See, all these, that is, it is called Kalpavriksha. Everything related to this coconut can be used. If there is a house which has one coconut tree, coconut water can be used for people who have urinary tract infections, who want to reduce weight. Coconut as such can be consumed for people who want more energy. Coconut oil can be consumed who want energy and at the same time who wants to reduce weight. See this wonderful fruit which causes Brahmana. That means it increases your muscle capacity, muscle strength. When you are using it as a coconut scraping, and reducing your body weight when you are using it as a virgin coconut oil. Such a finesse of this coconut can be seen only in the wonderful earth, nothing else. No processed thing can supply you this. And see what happens, people again argue about how much to consume. This is a very practical aspect when we provide chips or we provide vinegars of coconut water and coconut oil. People are confused how much to consume. And they were telling it is very bad for heart disease. You will be surprised that a study shows that if you are consuming coconut regularly, it does no harm to any heart disease patient and directly increases the capacity of the person to store, that is, he cannot store the cholesterol level, the bad cholesterol reduces. This is the recent studies which came up. That was because they were not biased studies. That is what I am telling. This coconut has been just sidelined because you won't believe even coconut has the capacity to form red blood cells. That is, it has copper, it has iron, it has this arginine, it has such an antioxidant capacity, selenium. It is such an important antioxidant that selenium tablets are sold for so much of more money in the market, and this basic ingredient in our food is sidelined. And coconut milk has been showed that even if you are giving a coconut milk porridge, that means like what khichdi in rice, they have studied that 60 men were given this coconut porridge and their waistline actually decreased. That means absolutely it does not increase your weight or it does not cause obesity, it actually reduces your obesity. So I am still wondering how this general aspect that coconut oil, if you eat in large quantity, it will increase your weight, how this came along. And there were other things also I want to highlight in this. When I researched about this coconut and coconut products and coconut oil, I was just finding out how to make this coconut oil become so potentiated that it can cure many diseases in the same way consumed in a larger quantity. You will be surprised. My finger pointed, I researched, and finally it came down to CPCR and Kasaragod. I was so shocked that such a primary institution is doing this work as a pioneer in the whole of the world. And they have brought up, I am meeting most of the panelists for the first time, but I want to give you a huge applause that, that this institution has developed this method after so much of research. I was shocked to find, because they have been researching about this coconut oil for so long time, and this processed virgin coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil has been in the market, and they have developed this real virgin coconut oil. This is not marketed as it should have been, because there were 10 methods they adopted for making virgin coconut oil, and the method they came up with, which was the best and the foremost coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, which can be used by everybody in the world with the maximum antioxidant benefits, was developed by CPCRI. You really deserve a great round of applause for this research, because see, if I tell you all the, I cannot even count up out how many goodness that virgin coconut oil has, and in that they scaled 1 to 10, and this virgin coconut oil they developed came 10 out of 10. That was this method of double boiler steam jacket method. So I'm surprised this place is very near to our place, and they have developed such a pioneering method, which has to be like told to the whole world that this virgin coconut oil can actually give a great result to your our usual problems. See, I am a doctor practicing since 22 years. The usual problem is hair, is skin, is loss of strength. We are tired. We have gastric problems. We have ulcer. We have constipation. And surprisingly, virgin coconut oil is the answer, because this virgin coconut oil has been proven, has been made into many powders, tablets, just to cure gastritis and gastric ulcer. It is stated in textbook also that it is a cassia. Cassia means it helps grow hair. That is written thousands and thousands of years back. You have to take in, because snehana is a very big thing. I want to explain to this crowd that what this coconut oil does. It is that abhyantara snehana, it is called in Ayurveda. It oleates your body to strengthen your body from inside, which you cannot do from supplements or from any other tablets. It is that day-to-day process which you feed to the children. See, if your children is obese, just cook in coconut oil. That is all I'm telling you. There was a question regarding coconut oil, how to give it to the children. So I will tell only this much: if your child is obese, and that wonderful thing I want to tell is about the skin problems. You just have to consume this virgin coconut oil for any type of skin problems. You believe me, even acts in psoriasis. Psoriasis is known to be very difficult to cure disease. It is immunomodulating in nature, and it is very it takes a lot of time to cure. But this virgin coconut oil, especially, I'm highlighting because it is just available, because the best of the oil is available. Don't use refined coconut for any of your purpose. No canned coconut, because you cannot remove the goodness of the coconut and just show that you are using the coconut. That is not the thing. You have to, and this double boiler method, This was the original method humankind used in the Mediterranean region. This was the original method. This was again developed by this CPCRI Kasaragod. That was, they might have done a great research in this regard. Yes, there is a question from Muralidharan K. You can use for cooking. You can use as it is before your food. It depends on what you want that to do for yourself. If you have you are obese, if you have gastritis, if you have cholesterol, do use it in your cooking also. And also you should be taking it like 10 to 15 ml, like even 30 ml is okay in a day, early morning. You can take it in the early morning. And I would advise you can use this turmeric along with this virgin coconut oil in this corona days, because yeah, that I come to this question. This virgin coconut oil, when mixed with turmeric, this will just boost your immune system. And what is the difference between a normal coconut oil and a virgin coconut oil? That is a major difference I want to tell you. The normal coconut oil, which is refined, loses its antioxidants because the preparation method is not the right method. The right method which brings about this virgin coconut oil is the right method. That is the processing of the oil. Just it is I think that protein, it allows the proteins to coagulate and releases the oil, yielding the highest amount of antioxidants. It is a proper explanation of that, because they have evaluated this method, as I have read in all these things, they have evaluated this method through a lot of standards, like remnant particles and antioxidants, and even absorption of the body, absorption in the body. So this method has come out to be the best. That is, if you're using virgin coconut oil, in comparison to the normal coconut oil, this is like 10 out of 10, and normal coconut oil is like 1, 2, and up to 3. So there is a lot of difference between the virgin coconut oil and the normal coconut oil. And how to use it, there was a question how to use it for kids. Just use it in your diet very, very regularly. And it has been shown that people who use it in their diet, you start from your early childhood, use it in their diet, the children develop less skin diseases. Their hairs are intact. But as much as possible, you should not increase the dosage to like 10 to 15 spoons per day, because obviously it is snehana. Snehana means it has that oiliness in your body. So you might experience like the stools are just passing loose, but it won't be loose stools as such. But you might feel something dizzy, or if you take an overdose immediately, like you're taking a real 10 to 15 spoon at once, then it won't be comfortable for you. That doesn't cause any problem, because we give Abhyantara Sneha Pana up to 60 ml. That are those medicated gritas and oils. It can be taken, but there is a process to take this. And now there is a fad like coconut detox. See, what is happening is the outside world is telling us how good coconut is, and we have to be alert that people are actually taking our coconut to such a big level that it is coming under coconut detox in very big resorts. They are just giving coconut oil inside and applying coconut oil outside, and it is becoming a detox. It's a, we have to, like, we have to be alert enough to understand that there is much more to this coconut and coconut oil. And yes, even coconut milk, I should say, this virgin coconut oil is not the oil which is derived from dried coconut. It is derived from this coconut milk as such, because coconut milk itself is a very, very nutritious food It is called a superfood actually. Now it is really in action in the foreign countries, that is called a superfood. And when this virgin coconut oil is made from this coconut milk, it includes all the goodness of this coconut milk and shows its quality like a finish, that is like fine tuning of the coconut, because it neutralizes all the side effects. If you think that if you are taking coconut in large quantity, you will feel heavy. Coconut oil doesn't make it so. It reduces all the, literally balances it and brings it to such a level that you get very, very high quantities of antioxidants. So what can be more wonderful than this? See, because methotrexate is an anti-metabolite, anti-cancer agent, which is used for most of the cancer therapies. And it has been shown that this can actually compensate for that. It can be given along with that to make the patient better. That is the action of antioxidants. Because like, yeah, I'll come to this question. Because see, such a strong effect is neutralized by this coconut oil. There is a question regarding groundnut oil and coconut oil. Yes, there are some things I want to explain in this. How much local it is good. See, groundnut is a staple this of certain areas. But you should understand this. Whatever the oil, it is available in the local area is good. But for example, ghee, coconut oil has been used in literally whole of the world. That is because this coconut oil is somewhere inside the conscious of every human being, that he knows that it is the right answer to many of the questions. But because of this fads, like you find in the big bazaar, you find in the city center, you find so many oils. And yes, I'll come to this question. That olive oil, soya bean oil, sunflower oil. See, I don't object to any of these oils, but in Ayurveda also it is said that Grita Taila Vasamaja, there are 4 types of snehana. If you ask me which is good, Grita or Taila, I can always tell this, they are in par. But more than that, if we are using that is called Desi cow's ghee, that is a local cow, which is giving the milk. If you are making the ghee out of it, then that is the best thing. In the same way, what is virgin? Okay. In the same way, this virgin coconut oil is the purest form of coconut oil. That is what I'm telling. Yes, there was a question. CPCRI has literally everything. I didn't meet any of these panelists, but I have checked all the details. They have simply everything related to chucking of this coconut and coconut. They are actually a very good like guides. If you want to chuck every detail about the oils which anybody has manufactured or you are getting in the market, you can always put them into chuck through CPCRI. I think the panelists will support my this, because I know it is true. And yes, so groundnut oil you should use. There is a certain thing about groundnut oil I would like to say. Groundnut oil is hot in nature. Groundnut oil is high in calories, and it is not as coconut oil Sloka says, it is himam. It is not coolant. It provides a heat to the body. So I would advise you use coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, as in your food or diet. Use coconut oil like little for your certain foods which you are not making for, like one day you're making in coconut oil. You can use once in a week groundnut oil. But please understand, this coconut oil is not only about the saturated fats or the only goodness of the taste or the smell. It is about what is inside that. It reduces the genotoxicity it brings your body to such an antioxidant level that you can develop immunity from many, many diseases. And yes, it can even increase your metabolism. See, menopausal ages, people are only bothered about metabolism, however much we are eating, we are just gaining weight. We are eating very little also, we are gaining weight. So this is the metabolism is hampered. So all you have to do is just use this virgin coconut oil because it betters your metabolism. It can actually better your weight also. Yeah, I think CPCRI can direct. There is one institute related to CPCRI. I feel so. It's not a testing agency as such, but there are definitely agencies which CPCRI, because I know that this virgin coconut oil was given a direction to check it out, like how much, what is there in the content is there. You can definitely contact the people or the panelists. They will definitely direct you. It may be not in Kasargod, this area, but there will be definitely institute, because I know it is true. I have seen it testing certain coconut oils. So for I think remnants of minerals and this. So yeah, one more I wanted to highlight is the minerals in coconut oil. They sometimes, what happens due to processing, some minerals are lost. Especially the selenium, there are some minerals which are very delicate and they can easily get lost. Means they can be losing its nature. But in this process of that is steam jacket method, they don't lose their nature, and it highlights to get its antioxidant property. So I would actually advise everybody to use that. And even I think even coconut oil, people should know about certain things, that it contains like 61% of fiber, and it relieves the pancreatic stress in diabetic patients. Like if a person is taking the coconut chutney in the morning, then he eats less in the afternoon. That means he can reduce the calories very easily. That also makes up to reducing obesity. So I don't want to take a lot of time. I am open for questions if anybody wants anything. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.